Little walk around this Saturday morning. Just left Cars and Coffee out of here on the back road in Bakersfield. Take you guys on a quick little walk around. 275, 35, 19s up front with a 19 by 10 Rushforth Rated X wheel. 20 by 10, 305, 35, 20 in the back. Both running Nitto tires front and rear. The car is sitting on a Speed Tech chicane coilover kit, upper and lowers, all from Speed Tech. Carbon fiber deck lid, hood, pop the hood here. LS3 made it up with a TR 6060 6-speed out of a 2014 Camaro. The LS swap and tranny was done by Alan over at Precision Auto in San Bruno up in the Bay Area. He finished off the whole engine swap with full AC system by Vintage Air, Griffin radiator, dual fans. It's got a BTR custom cam in it per their recommendations on the cam specs. Car's been running great, feels great. Got it back from Alan over at Precision Auto back in early April and been driving it consistently since then. No issues. Love this car. Had a small block in it before. Small blocks are cool. Old school car rated cars are cool. Just wanted to jump to the LS side of things, and so far I've greatly enjoyed it. I get to drive the car a lot more than I ever did before. Runs great. Full AC now. It's out here Bakersfield, it's hot, let alone a lot of areas in SoCal. So the AC is nice. Got tinted windows, 20% all the way around, except for the windshield obviously. But no, really great car. Been treating me well and got lots of power. Feels great, and love that LS swap, and the suspension really just tops it off on how it feels going down the road. Really responsive, rides great. Around town and on the highway rides great. And I'll also say too, with the adjustable Viking shocks, I have dual rate compression and rebound adjustment. I was able to take it to LS Fest and do some autocross, and I basically tightened up the suspension by readjusting the settings. So it was pretty nice to be able to have a little bit of best of both worlds, to where, not saying that I was the most perfect autocross racer, but I got to at least get my feet wet, and I had the suspension that could take care of it on the track, and then obviously come back home and enjoy it on the road. So this car has been really nice and enjoyable. So hope you guys like it. If you guys want to throw a comment down below what you think, and get some more videos up. Thanks for watching.